Oh, no, the dog does not eat a potato. The dog doesn't eat. It doesn't eat uncooked potatoes.
I said no.
You said no?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. That's good.
Good morning. So it's Saturday morning and I'm at my mum's. Just came to hang out for the morning, and then Rob's gonna come and we're gonna go for a family friend's birthday barbecue, and my mum and Gabby are baking the cake here, so you get to see that. They're really good bakers, and yes, it's a good day, good meat, good cake, good day. Such nice weather. I'm thinking of filling a basin for Micah just to play in some water. Keep him occupied. I want to tie him out early so that I can put him down for his nap early, so that we're on time for the barbecue. Oh, ow! Right, I'm done with my hair. I'm gonna check on Micah. I left him outside playing in a basin. Kids are easy to please. Where's your hat? Micah, why?
No filming.
Why?
No.
It's gravy.
No.
It's yummy.
No.
I'm not getting your face. This is my mother. That's her hand.
Incognito mama.
Incognito mother.
Lucy, what's happening, lovely? You don't mind being on my vlog, do you?
Well, excuse me. Oh, man. Oh my God. Bus is stuck here.
Don't know which one's my favourite.
Oh.
Until moments.
Alex is my muse. My inspiration.
Oh, you're sick. Get away from my child.
I'm facing that way.
It doesn't matter, you're Jeremy. Yeah? To go sit in the sitting room and have our lunch? Let Auntie Gabby finish tidying her room?
You stole my news show.
That's exactly what she
We're tired.
Each week, will fans one day
Oh, yeah.
turn their back on the sports they love if the cost to players
Well done.
to
Did football risk being in 50 years where prize fighting is today?
There's all that extra
Prize fighting in
cake.
the United States is no longer
My.
on mainstream television.
Mark Dyson and Bethany.
There's extra
Still with us on Sports Hour from Las Vegas, neurologist Dr. Margaret Goodman.
I can't be helped.
Dr. Goodman, is
I
this
cannot.
outdoor fashion
I cannot be
changing, can they?
Yeah, good night. Hey, yeah, so just washed my face. I only just started using facial washes. Are they cleansing? Yeah. Facial wash about 2 months ago, because I'm just really nervous because my skin is really sensitive. So I started using this Beauty Formulas, and it was really gentle. It's actually really good. So if you're trying to find a good gentle cleanser, you know, and you're just starting out like I was, I think that's a really good option. I've been using for 2 months and it's been pretty good. Yeah. And then my dear sister Gabby just introduced me to, I mean, there's so much to learn about skincare, isn't there? But gotta start somewhere sometime, right? So she just introduced me to using witch hazel as a toner. And all the other stages I'm gonna learn about in time, but yeah, I quite like how this feels on the face. just a few drops on the cotton bud, and then you just wipe your face. And apparently it's supposed to clean. It just, is that what toners do? They just clean deeper. Yeah, deep cleaning your pores. And I just tweezed my eyebrows a bit. I mean, my eyebrows are still a bit wild. I was trying to thicken them up again because I had tweezed them too thin one time, so I had to just let them grow wild. So just using this all over my skin, and again, this has been really nice. I guess because it's natural. And I'm prone to breaking out really easily or reacting to stuff, so, and this has been really, really nice. So I'm gonna get my own bottle too. Thanks, Gabby. You charged me for information. It's amazing how it's gone backwards now. Gabby's teaching me stuff about beauty and all that. Oh my goodness, it feels so nice with the wind. I'm right at the window. Yeah, so Micah's napping right now. Rob's just come in, and so is my dad. So we're all just kind of slowly getting ready for the barbecue. And Gabby is gonna do my makeup. It's good. I'm ready for you. The girl is not playing. I'm watching some Friends. You what? Bootleg? That's bootleg. Doesn't matter. It still works though. Great. Excited. As a moisturizer, I've been using marula oil. Got this from, this is by the Leaky collection, and it's just been really nice. It's light, it's gentle, and it's also antibacterial. So make her one of your little jokes. So we're on our way to the barbecue now, and Gabby did my makeup. It's a bit heavier than what I would typically wear, but yeah, I figured why not? And I think I left my lipstick. Yeah, well. Oh yeah, thank you. Good morning, guys. So it is Thursday? No, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and my weekend was great. I didn't vlog on Sunday because we were just done from Saturday. The barbecue was really nice, and yeah, we were just done by Sunday. We were so tired. Monday, nothing much happened as well. I decided I wasn't going to vlog, but because I'd only vlogged one day and it's supposed to be the weekend vlog, I decided I would vlog today. Yeah, there won't be a weekly vlog because the 1st of October is on Sunday. So there'll be Wednesday's video, which will be this one to go up. And then, oof, it's so hot. And then, yeah, then it'll be Vlogtober. Really looking forward to that. Yeah, so I opened up my hair. I also wanted to show you guys my hair because I'll probably just keep it this way for about 2 days and then maybe wash it out. So basically I twist it and then just open it up. I didn't steam it because I'd had it twisted for a couple of days, so this is what it turns out like, but it's really flat because I'd straightened out my hair before. It's usually a lot more fluffy if I don't necessarily straighten it before. So anyway, drop Rob off, come see my doctor, and then Rob's gonna come and meet me here and then just get on with my day. Yeah, so I'm not gonna really vlog inside because it's a hospital. Yeah. Alright, let me get out of this hot car. Wrong lane. Go to the other lane now. looking at? I mean, seriously. This thing. Can I make really big of that try? That won't put that in. I'm back home. It's very, 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 very hot today. And Rob got my license. Ah, look at that. Look at the state of that. Nasty. And he's only like 4 years old, so I got a new driver's license. Yes. Well, my husband did. He spoils me. Yeah. Oh, and this is lunch. Bhajias and meat samosas from KPS at Karen. The bhajias are really good. I haven't had bhajias in a long time. I was saying, Rob, it's one of my mom's favorite meals. I'm gonna get her some of these. Really, really good. Yeah, so I'm gonna stuff my face now and spend some time on the laptop editing this week's vlog, and then I have to go teach later at around, I think, 4. So I'll catch up with you later. Hey guys, so it's 7 o'clock. Went and gave my piano lesson and got back home, cooked, but now I'm kind of feeling under the weather. I'm feeling very sorry for myself. I put Micah, he typically sits at the table and has his dinner, but right now there's a lot of stuff here that Rob was working with, and because I'm not feeling too good, I just want him to just sit somewhere and just eat. Be distracted and just eat, so he's just watching some telly while he eats. And this is dinner today. Mincemeat and banana and rice. I love this combination with banana in there, and I put a lot of vegetable in the mincemeat. Today I'm cheating all kinds of ways, so my veg is in the mincemeat, and yeah, and Kitty is watching telly while eating. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the, I can't even speak. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe for more. I shall see you on Sunday. Bye.